Welcome! Today I'll show you how you can reinstall your tempered glass. As you can see in my case, I just put it a little bit too much for the left side, so I would like to move it to the right a little bit. And what I can do right now, just simply move for one of the corner and put your fingernail underneath this tempered glass, just like that. Let's do it gently. And as you can see, right now we can move our finger to another side. Just like that. Do it slowly, try to don't break the glass. Then cut it in the half, like that. And try to remove. And that's it. So right now, let's put it correctly. Oh, wait a minute. I think that right now it will be definitely better, I guess. Well, but let me just turn on the normal screen, like that. Okay, right now I think it's in a good position, so I'm going to put it just like that. Yeah, and take a look. When I turn off the screen, you can see that it goes almost automatically. And you can press with your finger to make it faster a little bit. And here we have to press to get it stick better. And press here in the corner with your fingernail. Okay, and as you can see right now, it looks definitely better. And basically that's how we can reinstall your tempered glass on your smartphone. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.